So when you're a specialty manufacturer and you're doing a limited distribution network, and you're going through a handful of SPs and a couple of specialty distributors, the ability to get access to your patients and your data is quite high, unless you have a product that's more a buy and bill, where a physician's office or clinic or hospital is buying and not much is going through pharmacy. When it's a specialty pharmaceutical that goes through a specialty pharmacy, for your patients, you can see extremely robust and detailed data. As soon as it doesn't go through a pharmacy, a specialty pharmacy, one of your limited distribution partners, and it's going through a specialty distributor because it's being administered at a doctor's office or at a hospital, the ability to get access to patient data is limited. And then that's where that diversity and fragmentation of data comes in, and then the ability to link it, the art of linking all that data together becomes more difficult. We've intentionally gone out and created our own patient DID service as opposed to using a syndicated data provider's DID. The availability of data is much greater. So data is available, it's just how much does a manufacturer want to pay to get access to that data, and then how much do they want to pay an aggregator to bring it all together for them. So it's pieces of information, it's not a complete picture. So maybe you have a syndicated data provider that captures 75% of your pharmacy lives, and then 50% of your mail order claims, and 25% of your hospital claims, and they can piece that information together because they acquire that data and they resell it. So there's an example where there is interoperability around hospital claims, mail order, and pharmacy as an example. So syndicated data companies have been doing that, and they've been working on making their data more interoperable. It's very important when they work, they call it real world evidence. When they work with HEOR groups, for example, having a slice of data is important, but not the complete picture. So they've done a good job of piecing different data sets together, although not necessarily robust, but good for market research, HEOR studies, et cetera. The tricky part is bringing all that data together. So I think there's still work to be done in making that disparate, fragmented data more interoperable.